Hi guys, how are you all doing? So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful backless crop top. Okay, so keep watching, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So placing my tape from the shoulder point on a straight line, I'm going to mark my chest point, which is 8 inches. Your chest point is always 2 inches above your bust point. And then again I'm going to mark my bust point, which is 10 inches. And the length of the crop top, I want mine to come down very well, so I'll be using 16 and 19 inches as the length. So 16 is my waist point, but I'm going to leave it at 19 inches because it's a crop top. But mine, I don't want it to be a crop top. If it's at 16 inches, then it's a crop top. But mine, I want it to come down very well. So once we are done with that, the next thing we're going to do is to mark a straight line on those lines that we pointed. Then I went again ahead to level the lines and also make the lines very visible. So then the next thing I'm going to do is to mark my neck width. The wideness of my neck is 3 inches and my bust circumference divided by 4 is 9.5. On my chest point, I'll mark my bust circumference divided by 4. Then I'll add extra 3 inches so that I will have a little piece at the back. So next thing I'm going to do is to connect my bust point divided by 4. Where I marked the points, I'm going to connect it to the neck width. So you see what I'm going to do right now. The point at my neck point, the wideness of my neck, I'll connect it to the bust circumference divided by 4. That point, not at the 3 inches. So once I'm done with that, the next thing I'm going to do is to extend the bust point to the bust point line. I will extend the bust circumference divided by 4 to the bust point line plus the 3 inches. So everything is 12 inches, maybe 13 inches. So next thing I'm going to do right now is to divide my waist circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch for that I'm going to add and 3 inches allowance. So I'm going to add a dot at the downside, so don't worry, I will show you how to add the dot. So for my dot, I'll go in by 3.5 inches and I'll go to the bust point again and I'll go in by 3.5 inches. That's my dot. I'm going to connect the lines together. So I'll go in by half an inch and I'll come down by 1.5 inch. 1 inch. Come down by 1 inch below the bust point and I'll connect half an inch. I'll mark half an inch on both sides of the dart and I'll connect it this way. Then on the shoulder, that's the armhole point, and I'm going to come up by 3 inches. That's for my armhole dart, and I'm going to go up by 3/4 inch and down by 3/4 inch. I'll connect the two lines this way. So it's going to bring out my bust curve. So let me connect the lines, all the lines that I've marked, all the lines for the circumference that I've marked. I'm going to connect them together. So once I'm done connecting, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to cut out the pattern piece. So from the neck point, I went down by 1.5. But if you're cutting, please go down by 3 inches because I made a mistake there. So I went down by 1.5 inch here. But if you're cutting, just go down by 3 inches. So I'm cutting out the pattern piece. So having cut out the material and the lining that we're going to be making use of, the next thing we're going to do is to cut out the darts from the pattern piece. Okay, So this is what I did. I just opened this dart right here like this. So I'm going to open the waist dart. So after I'm done opening the waist dart, I'll go ahead and just start joining it. Okay, I'll start joining the darts. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So I'll start by joining the armhole dart. So guys, after joining, this is what we have. The next thing we're going to do now is to add the rope. So we're going to add a small loop here after marking 2 inches difference to 2 inches difference on the side that I marked. I'm going to take it in. I'm going to fold it this way. Look at how I'm going to fold it like this, and I'll put it inside following the lines that I've marked. Okay, I'll come back and tell you what it looks like after joining. Okay, so here we are after joining. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to turn it over so that you will see what it looks like. I also stitched the down part of the top, so the only place we can turn is only the neckline, the neck of the dress of the top. So this is my look, guys. As you can see, it came out so well. So I'm going to iron it right. So guys, after I'm done ironing it, this is what it looks like. So this is the 3 inches that we added at the back, and this is how it came out. So the next thing we are going to do is to add the rope. Okay, so we add the rope that we are going to tie from the neck down to the back of the top. So I'm going to notch the center of this rope, and I will notch the center of the neck line. Then I'll attach the 2 notches together. Okay, so attach the 2 necklines together, the 2 notches. Then on the other end you fold it like this and sew all the way down to the other end. So this is what we have at the end of the day. This is what it looks like. So guys, it came out very neat and beautiful. So if you want to make this kind of strapless bag, this is how to make it. Okay, very beautiful and very simple to make. You can rock it with your jacket, your jean, your anything. You can rock it alone like that if you want. It's very beautiful. So guys, thank you all for watching. I'll show you the end, how it looks like on my dummy. I'll show you how it looks like on my dummy. And guys, see you all. Bye. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment on my videos. Okay, see you all in my next video. Bye.